Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a photo of you meeting your childhood self using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the photo looks like and I'm going to show you how you can create this photo. First of all guys, you can open up Gemini. You can open the Gemini app or you can visit gemini.google.com. And then we're going to click on new chat, and then from the tools here you can choose new opening a feature. Okay, and make sure that here you choose Gemini 2.5 Flash, and then you can add your photo, the photo of you now, and also the photo of your childhood self. And I'm going to choose Hermione's photo. Okay, and then you can add this prompt. Alright, this is the prompt that you can use, and for the prompt I'll put it on the description. And then we just need to submit the prompt and also the photos, and just wait for a moment. Alright, and this is the result. That's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!